Hello ka dito! Ako nga pala si Alas.
Ako si Mo at nandito tayo ngayon sa SM Mega Mall and have an amazing double date with you.
Alam mo ba ang double date na to ay napaka-exciting kasi
We're celebrating Dito's twice the data offer.
tara sundin na natin sila sa Dito Experience Store. We are now here at the Dito Experience Store at SM Mega Mall and we have an exciting offer for our new Ditos.
And if you purchase the new Dito prepaid SIM starter pack for only 39 pesos, you can subscribe to Data Sachet 50.
That means you get 5 gigabytes plus 5 gigabytes data for free to enjoy twice the data. And here's the best part, partner. You can subscribe to Data Sachet 50 up to 6 times. That's up to 60 gigabytes. Grabe!
Sobrang sulit, di ba? Okay! Sobrang sulit! Let's meet our date and tell them to avail the Data Sachet 50 so they can get twice the data too.
May tanong lang ako. Ready na ba kayo para sa ating double date?
Ready na!
Super ready na.
Ano pa hinihintay natin? Let's go to our first
Let's go! Let's go! So we are now here at the SM Mega Mall Bowling Center.
Let's go!
Meron din palang other activities here like darts, billiards, basketball, at saka shooting range, pare ko eh.
Oo nga! So ano pang gagawin natin dito for today?
Siyempre, for this challenge, makikita natin kung sino may best hands at pinakamagaling.
Tama, iikutin natin lahat ng games dito. Twice the competitiveness, twice the enjoyment.
Exactly, pare ko, just like how new Cadiz gets twice the data.
Game na ba kayo?
Na!
Let's go!
Yung score natin ang dami.
Solid talaga yung twice the celebration with Dito prepaid SIM.
Sobrang winner talaga kasi makakuha ka ng 5 gigabytes plus 5 gigabytes free data.
Grabe, double the happiness talaga.
Of course, before we end our day,
Tara, photoboot muna tayo. Let's go!
yes, and with that, don't forget that you can get twice the data with the Dito prepaid SIM starter pack when you subscribe to Data Sachet 50. That's 5 gigabytes plus 5 gigabytes free.
Thank you so much and keep on supporting Dito and Alamat.
Ako nga pala si Alas.
At ako si Mo. See you next time!